220 Harpin Way right here in Fergus. Fergus is one of those family-friendly communities that you can't wait to explore. Located just along the banks of the beautiful Grand River with a historic downtown filled with beautiful architecture, stone walls, converted lofts, and so much more. Fergus is one of those places where it's large enough to have all those amenities, shopping, Canadian Tire, Walmart, and so much more. But it's still small enough to enjoy that hometown feel that we all know and love. So if you're a family and you're looking for one of the best areas to raise your kids, 220 Harpin Way, located right here in Fergus, is definitely the place that you need to see. And now that I've got your attention, let's focus in on Harpin Way. Harpin Way is an enclave of beautiful, brand new homes. Beautiful, luscious grass with landscaping and pride of ownership is evident right here with some of the best neighbors. And when you follow all these beautiful homes down Harpin Way, it ends in this fantastic court, which is family friendly and safe for the kids to play. It leads right up to 220, which is arguably one of the most complete family homes that you're gonna see in Fergus on the market today. But it's more than that. Zoom out and you'll notice you're only a 2-minute walk to the brand new Grand River Public School. In fact, you can see the kids walk to school from your back deck. And on top of that, you're walking distance to 3 more parks and you're just around the corner to Groves Hospital. So this really is a safe community. When you jump into this court, you're gonna notice pie-shaped lots. They're absolutely massive. And at 220 Harpin Way, right here behind me, it's exactly that. This house is one of the most complete houses in all of Fergus that's available today, and I can't wait to show it to you. We've got over 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, full finished basement, and all the landscaping that you could possibly ask for. Now let's go take a look. As soon as you pull up to 220 Harpin Way, you're gonna notice how fantastic this home really is, with 4-car parking in the driveway and a double-car garage. Beautiful concrete landscaping going all the way up the edge of the driveway and into the backyard. Front covered porch, 2nd-story covered porch, beautiful cedar trees for privacy. And of course, like I said before, it's over 2,400 square feet with a full finished basement, which gives you over 3,500 square feet of livable space. Now I know that you know that that's perfect for the whole family, and you're gonna start to get those warm and fuzzies, but you can't go inside yet. I need to take you to this lot because in my opinion, it's one of the reasons you're here right now. And as soon as you step foot into this backyard, you're gonna see what all the fuss is about. The concrete walkway extends all the way to the backyard, complemented by river rock, cedar trees, ornamental grass. You'll see a fully fenced lot with 6x6 posts, and you'll realize that the sellers really did spare no expense when doing this whole backyard. It's beautiful. And when you get around the corner, you'll notice the covered gazebo, which is perfect for all those summer barbecues. And past that, the lot. It's expansive. It's a premium pie-shaped lot. And then you're gonna realize that you are truly home. You're gonna notice the cedar trees around the whole perimeter. And you're gonna notice the concrete pad is carried all the way along the length of the house to the hot tub. Who doesn't want a hot tub to enjoy after a hard day's work? Or invite friends to hang out on a Friday or Saturday night. Look up and you'll notice a brand new deck. I love the black railings. It complements this house beautifully. But when you get up there, turn around and take another look at this lot. Tons of green space for the kids and the dogs to run around. Play sets maybe even a swimming pool. It's hard not to ignore the quality and the money that's spent on this lot. But the best part is you can just move in and enjoy. And we haven't even got inside yet. And when you're inside, it's all gonna start to click. This really is the complete package. I love the foyer. It's open, it's bright, large glass door, double side lights letting in tons of natural light, and a double closet. As you head into the main living areas, of course you're going to notice the 9-foot ceilings. Two layout features that I absolutely love is right here. We have a mudroom going into the garage with built-in hooks and a closet, and you'll take a few steps down to the powder room. If you guys have watched my videos before, you know I love this feature because it gives you ultimate privacy and takes away any smells that might come from that room afterwards. You're going to notice this beautiful hardwood staircase open all the way to the top, and then we're going to turn to the dining room. I love this house because of the individual space. I love the different compartments because of the privacy. You can finish off that glass of wine with your friends while the kids can take off and run through the house, and you're not hearing them scream all over the house like you would with an open concept home. Along the way, you're gonna see upgraded floors, upgraded trim, and tons of natural light. As we get through the back half of the main floor, this is where the entertainment truly begins. Kitchen, oversized with a massive custom island, granite top, built-in undermount sink, and that carries along through the rest of the kitchen with extended cabinets, beautiful uppers and lowers, and plenty of storage space. I love these California shutters on this massive picture window, and if you want some privacy, there you go. Just like that. We have a large closed door pantry for all those additional food items. The beauty of this kitchen for me is entertainment. The island is key. We have 4 seats around here. I can see your friends or your family sipping on wine, eating cheese and crackers while everybody moves around and cooks in the kitchen. And in the same breath, we have the family room that's attached. You'll notice subtle color changes, which really connects both of these rooms. And when you jump in here, it's super cozy. Built-ins beside this natural gas fireplace, tons of seating, and once again, you have the oversized windows with the California shutters. So if you need ultimate privacy, you close those blinds, snap your fingers, and it's the perfect little viewing room. A fantastic design theme that you're gonna see throughout this property are the windows. Even in the stairwell, the builder took advantage of the space and put another oversized window. It makes this place feel extremely large and lets in all that natural light from virtually every angle of the house. When you get up here, you're gonna see we have 4 full bedrooms, 2 full washrooms, and your very own laundry room. Before we jump into the primary, let's talk about these bedrooms. Every bedroom has plenty of closet space, including one with a walk-in. I can't wait to see how the kids fight over that one. But to add more decisions to the mix, my favorite is the front bedroom because it's got a beautiful covered deck right out the front. This is perfect for your very own home office or your own little den. And lastly, the master bedroom. It's huge. You can have any size bed you want in this baby. But one thing to note is this oversized window. It overlooks the expansive backyard, and you can even see the public school from here. I can see the kids coming home now. And on your way to the ensuite, you'll see the walk-in closet. Tons of built-ins and plenty of space to hang all your clothes. But the real treat is this ensuite. You could have a party in here, it's so big. You'll notice oversized glass shower, soaker tub right by the corner windows, double vanity, and the perfect little toilet closet. It's functional, it's practical, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now let's head downstairs. Last but certainly not least, the full finished basement. This space offers almost 1,100 livable square feet more, which puts this house at over 3,500 livable square feet. You'll love the finishes down here, above grade windows, cozy gas fireplace, washroom. This is the perfect place for movie night, kids playroom, or if you're like my sellers, flip on the strobe lights and have a dance party. But whatever you do here, you're gonna thoroughly enjoy this space. Some people say I talk too much. I'll be the first to admit it, they're right. But at a house like this, how can you not? It really has everything. It's got the community, the area, the shopping, the schools, hospitals. It is a fantastic place right here in Fergus to raise the whole family. And where wouldn't you want to do it more than 220 Harpin Way? It's fantastic, and I can't wait for you to see it. Give me a call, give me a text today.